Blue Ranger power. Greetings everyone, all my fellow cosplayers and gamers. Got Blue Ranger Power here, episode number 16 of Toys Unboxing and Thoughts. Toy I've been meaning to do it for a long time. I finally get around to doing it. Got the Tenga Warrior today. Tenga Warrior. Fair warning, like, I know these were in the movie as well, but the movie they called Tengu in the TV series Tenga. I'm guessing it's because of licensing, because, you know, different companies did this and that. It's a mess I'm not going to get into, but here's going to check out this. The front, side, one of the sides, other sides, back, all the legal information, and of course the bottom and all that. One thing I forgot to mention in past videos, but really closely, that Mighty Morphin Power Rangers logo is right there, and I think it's pretty cool. Well, let's get into it. Here's our base figure. And they got the lightning back, but they also have some wings right here. Oh, this figure was pretty bulky. The Tenga Warriors, I remember they took over the Putties when the Putties got taken over by Zed and all that stuff later in the series. When they lost their powers and had to get their powers back with Ninjor and all that. Pretty cool, I guess. Take these out. Easy does it. I wish that they would make movie versions of some of these toys, like movie versions of the metallic Power Rangers and all that stuff, like how they were in the movie. A little more metallic armory. Yeah, it was still cool. It would be cool, like maybe have an Ivan Ooze, Dulcia, the list goes on. Alright, easy does it. We got these out no problem. Didn't want to destroy the box. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, the details of this is actually really good. And the wings are pretty good looking. And of course, they have the egg. I remember they had the giant egg that was in the movie, but this is definitely not it. I guess they wanted to hold it, they could, or yeah, because the hole in there in the egg, so you know. Of course, there's one of these lightning that are pretty much in almost every Hasbro toy, and some interchangeable fists. Ugh. There's not an interchangeable head. Well, these heads are kind of huge, so. Then. Alright, just fit snug in there. Does it? Yeah, the wings are a little confusing at first. Just trying to iron them out. Well, the large one goes there. So there we are. And there's smaller wings as well. Dokie. Just want to make sure I'm doing it right. And there we go. Really not a bad looking toy, to be honest. Like, pretty cool that has the wings. You can add the wings on there. I like it's pretty cool that has the egg in there. That's pretty cool. So it's a pretty cool looking toy for the Tenga Warrior. Because I know in the movie they did the Tenga Warriors, but the story of it's really cool. And then I will have to display this toy though with my other toys. Yep, and that opinion wraps up. So what's my opinion on this toy? To be honest, this is pretty much a 9 out of 10. Yeah, the only downside I see is like this part's loose, which is really not necessary, of course. But detail-wise, it's pretty good. Alright, well, and that pretty much wraps it up for this video. Are you a Power Ranger fan? Have you picked up this toy? What do you think of it? Or what other toys have you picked up lately? Let me know in the comment section below. And drop a like the video if you enjoyed it, and have already hit the subscribe button. Alrighty, one Blue Ranger out.